Top 5 Best Water Cooler Dispensers. Number 5. Avalon A1 Top Loading Cooler Dispenser. The Avalon A1 is a water cooler with a basic top-loading design. At around $100, this water dispenser cooler is a fantastic option for lower budgets and requires just a little more work than a more expensive bottom-loading alternative. With separate hot and cold water spouts, you can use the Avalon for both hot beverages or even foods like instant ramen and cold refreshments. The dispenser is Energy Star approved, so you won't waste energy and have to pay higher than necessary bills with it installed in your home or office. It also has a child safety lock on the hot water spout, so you can trust it in a home with young children. For a top-loading water cooler, the Avalon A1 has a slim, fairly stylish design. It won't look bulky, even in small spaces around your home. It's also simple to set up, with the top portion of the unit designed to hold water bottles at 3 to 5 gallons in size. With the water bottle being on show, you can spot when water is running low and arrange for more water ahead of time. It will take a bit of extra lifting work to get the bottle up on top of the unit, so keep this in mind if your mobility is impaired. The Avalon A1 doesn't have a water filter, it's just designed for providing hot and cold water at the touch of a button. But there's plenty of flexibility with this system, so you could choose to use your own choice of filtered bottled water, which would also help to keep the machine clean. Pros. Great for smaller budgets. Slim, compact design. Cons. Doesn't filter water. Some customers experience leaking. Coming in number 4. hOmeLabs Bottom Loading Water Dispenser. The hOmeLabs water dispenser with a bottom-loading design makes it easier to stay hydrated. When you need to refill the system's water bottle, simply open the drink dispenser door, take it out, fill it with water, then load it back inside and insert the water probe. There's no flipping the bottle upside down or lifting it up high to load. This water cooler dispenser fits bottles between 3 and 5 gallons in size. As it's recommended that we drink around half a gallon of water per day, this would last a family of 2 between 3 and 5 days, or a family of 4 between 1.5 and 3 days, before the bottle would need refilling. Though it fits a relatively large bottle, the unit is 40.9 by 14.2 by 12.2 inches in size, and is designed to fit into any home or office space. There's no filter in the hOmeLabs cooler dispenser. Its job is to provide you with cool or hot water at the touch of a button, so if you're looking for filtered water, this isn't the dispenser for you. With an easy clean drop tray, you can simply rinse, clean and replace when the tray becomes full. There's also an LED nightlight to make it easier to pour yourself a drink at night, and a child safety lock to prevent hot water scalding. Pros. Easy bottom load design. Easy and safe for the whole family to use. Cons. No water filter included. Refrigerator is quite loud. Coming in number 3. Primo Bottom Loading Water Dispenser. The Primo Black Bottom Loading Water Dispenser ticks all the boxes when it comes to design. With a sleek outer exterior, this water cooler looks less like the unit you'd find at your local gym and much more modern and kitchen-friendly. Setup of the Primo is simple, and you don't need any tools for the job. Because it's a bottom-load dispenser, there's no need to connect the unit up to your plumbing. You just slot the drip tray in place, slide your water bottle into the bottom water storage section, and attach the nozzle and spout. The Primo doesn't contain a water filter, so this one is only really an option for you if you plan to use already filtered water in the machine, or you're just looking for easy access to hot and cold water. It seems that if you buy Primo's bottled water for this cooler, that water has been treated with reverse osmosis, which removes and reduces a whole host of contaminants from water. Using the Primo doesn't get more complex than pushing a button for hot or cold water. The hot water spout has a child-resistant safety feature, so the Primo is safe for use by children and toddlers. Pros. Sleek, modern design. Setup is easy and takes less than 5 minutes. Cons. Doesn't contain a water filter. Refrigerator is fairly noisy. Coming in number 2. Brio Self-Cleaning Bottleless Water Cooler. The Brio filtered water dispenser comes with 2 free filters on your initial purchase. The cooler has a 2-stage filter system, featuring a carbon block filter and a sediment filter, that filters dust and rust from water, and contaminants that give water a bad taste or odor. There's no information online that lists exactly which contaminants the Brio targets, and it isn't NSF certified either. But we can assume here that the sediment filter will work like all other sediment filters to remove suspended particles from water, and the carbon block filter will remove chlorine and VOCs, which affect the taste of water. Both the carbon and sediment filter last for 1,500 gallons, or approximately 6 months. With the filters being easy to access via a cabinet inside the cooler, they're simple to remove and replace. There's also a removable drip tray, making one of the only maintenance jobs this system needs much easier. The Brio has both hot and cold water options, with a child safety lock to prevent accidental pouring of hot water. There's also a bright light to help you see what you're doing if you're pouring a glass at night, and the cooler self-cleans to prevent any extra labor on your part. Pros: lots of safety and easy clean features. Improves water taste and quality. Cons: no NSF certification. No clear indication of which contaminants are removed. Coming in number 1. Avalon A5 Self-Cleaning Bottleless Water Cooler. The Avalon A5 is a water cooler dispenser that includes dual filters, a sediment filter and a carbon block filter, that can filter up to 1,500 gallons of water. Being completely bottleless, the Avalon cooler can help you to save money on bottled water, while still providing the same quality and taste. With 3 temperature settings, you can customize the Avalon to suit your preferences. You can opt for cool or crisp cold water, or even set the temperature to piping hot for tea or coffee. The hot water spout has a safety lock to make the system safe for use by children, and there's a built-in night light, too, so you can safely pour yourself a cup of water in all light levels. The biggest selling point of the Avalon A5 is that it's NSF certified. The filters in the water cooler can remove up to 99.6% lead, 99.7% particulates, 99.9% cysts, 97.4% chlorine, 100% bad odor or taste, and 99.9% visible objects. Not many filter companies go into such precise detail with which contaminants their products can remove, and it's useful to know exactly what you'll get with this dispenser. Another major advantage of the Avalon is that it's self-cleaning. The machine will sanitize and purify itself, preventing the accumulation of harmful bacteria. Pros: NSF certified. Easy to install. Cons: no detailed info about the NSF certification. Some users found the water flow too slow,